Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is this month's subscription for Colouring Heaven. This is issue, I don't know. It normally says here, down here, doesn't it? Issue whatever. I don't know, I'll find it in a minute. Anyway, 40 exclusive, enchanting and playful designs by Jenny Cook. I hope you're not being blinded by horrendous lighting. So, Fairies in Nature special. So this should be right up my street. Okay. So, oh, they're lovely. Such beautiful designs. Okay. That was number one, and it is called Best Friends. Oh. Okay. Number two, Moonstruck. Okay. Number three, Wonder. That's lovely, isn't it? Look at that those little chubby chops. Afloat. He's sailing on her shell. I can't think what it's called. Oh, it's a long day at work, people. Long day at work. Guardians. Oh, look. Oh, those hairless cats. So you wouldn't have to worry about doing hair. Fairy Princess. That's lovely. I think, folks, we might have to do a colour along. Fairy Prince. New Arrival. Oh. Little baby fairy. Cuddle. Gosh, that looks a bit freaky without colour on it, doesn't it? Oh, that's nice. Doghouse. Oh. Walkies. Shelter, I like that. Little Artist. And they've got the magazine there, look. That's clever. Feeding Time. Giggle. Oh, that's beautiful. Reflection. That's going to be hard to colour. You've got a very faint, I don't know if you can pick up on that, a very faint lines of the reflection of the little fairy in the water. Crystal Moon. It's a nice simpler one. I like that one. Green Fingers. That's gorgeous too. That's really cute. Secret. And you've got the fairy door in the background. Tree House. Resting. Yeah, they look like those hairless cats. You could do them as. So this is Reap and Sow. Is it that way around? No, it is this way around. Just working hard. Caterpillar. Mischief. Oh yeah, someone's not going to be happy. Birthday treat. Oh, look at all those strawberries and cakes. That one's nice. Posy. I like that one. Got a nice face. Look at those eyes, they'd be amazing when they're coloured in, won't they? I think we can come in a little bit. Posy 2. So it's the same little girl, but... Oh, hang on, my camera's got stuck on its tripod again. I do apologise. It's got like a clamp thing in it. Gets out of place. Posy 3. That's another lovely... Look at her face. Isn't that cute? That's really cute. And then we've got Hitch a Ride. Again, lovely. Isn't that a lovely illustration? Happy. Well, they certainly look like that, don't they? hide and seek. The real innocent pictures of, like, yeah, children doing child things. Sleeping. Got like that 18-hole dockers. Very cool. Bunny hop. Oh, she's riding on a bunny. Doesn't look very happy about it, does he? And we've got car. That's lovely. Oh, I like that one. So the baby is being covered by leaves by that little bird. That one's nice too. Blown away. Oh gosh, little tiny fairies being blown away. And then we've got Precious. She's got a puppy. So cute. Leapfrog. That's a cool one. I like that. Spring. Now the backgrounds are in there, so you wouldn't have to worry, but they are quite detailed. Summer. Autumn. And winter. So she's got arms full of candy canes. Can you see all that? And there we are. 40 designs. Fairies in Nature Special. Did I find out the publication number? No, I still can't. It just says 75. I don't know if that's it. Anyway, folks, I hope you've enjoyed this little flip through of Fairies in Nature. I've tried to keep it short for you so you can just see the flip through. I'll be back in the next couple of days with my swatching. And so until I see you then, take really good care of yourselves, folks. Bye-bye.